Children, today's topic is equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. In this sections, we shall discuss the solution of such pairs of linear equations which are not linear but can be reduced to linear form by making some suitable substitutions. We now explain this process through an example. Suppose this example is there. Solve the pair of linear equation 2 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 13, 5 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to minus 2. Now this equation is not of the general form of linear equation, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we will write this equation like this. 2, now this is 2 upon x, so we can write is 2 multiplied 1 by x. Similarly 3 upon y can be written as 3 multiplied 1 upon y is equal to 13. Similarly we will write equation number 2 like this. Now these equations are not in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. However, if we substitute 1 upon x is equal to p and 1 upon y is equal to q in equation 1 and 2, we get 2p plus 3q. In place of 1 by x we have put p, and in place of 1 by y we have put q. So the equation will become like this: 2p plus 3q is equal to 13 and 5p minus 4q is equal to minus 2. Now proceeding further, now we have expressed this equation as a pair of linear equations. Now we can use any method to solve these equations. Now we will solve by elimination method. We will write equation number this and we eliminate the coefficient of p. So we multiplied the coefficient of p in equation number 2 with 1 and in second equation with equation number 1. Here the coefficient of p is 2, so we multiplied here with 2. Here the coefficient of p is 5, so we multiplied it with 5. Now by multiplying we get the equation like this. So this will cancel out and we get the value of q is equal to 3. Now substituting this value of q is equal to 3 in equation number 5, we get the value of p. So p we get 2. Now we get p is equal to 2 and q is equal to 3. So we know that 1 by x, we have assumed that 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. So substituting the value of p and q, 1 by x is equal to, in place of p we will put 2, in place of q we will put 3. So it will become x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 3. Now if you put these values 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 in the given equation, we find that both the equations are satisfied. So this is the method of solving linear equations which are not in the form but we have reduced in the linear form. So children, understand this example carefully and solve exercise 3.6. Thank you.